getting better and better. I am trying to get ready, and I will tell you, this scenery changes every 5 seconds. I can't get ready because I'm constantly running out here. It's so gorgeous. Ooh, look at those mountains all lit up back there. Why are you spending so much time out here? This is hideous. Day, what is it?
43.
Yeah, 4. Second stop, Juneau. Doing an excursion today. We're doing a 4 to 6 mile hike. God help us, because you know how well I do. There it is. He's still contemplating if he wants to do it. He's still looking at
I
it.
already know the answer. No.
Maybe. Maybe?
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Plus,
We're gonna do the West
Glacier Trail.
West Glacier Trail up Mount McGinnis, right?
Yep. We have
In
4 mile
Mendenhall
hike,
Glacier.
1,000 foot elevation gain.
That's my kind of hike. And now the steep climb. Ooh, here we go. Someone in our group is 70. She's gonna put me to shame. Looks like a tarantula. Look, it looks like claws. Heck nah. That's just scary.
Yeah, parasitic plants, so they'll use other...
Oh, cheese and crackers.
What did you say that was?
I think that could be a Stellar's Day and then an angry squirrel.
What'd she say it was called?
Called Devil's Club.
Devil's Club.
Bunch of spikes
Very spiky.
underneath.
That's why he's touching it. And I'm not.
And only. It's cool. It's beautiful.
In we go. Wow. Hello, beautiful.
We're leaving.
All right, so she said it's time for the steep terrain to the glacier. Our top of the hike. We made it. Mendenhall Glacier and Suicide Glacier. It's gonna break a couple years. Look at the view. You like it?
It is gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, this hike's a little challenging. So you know, for this excursion, it said it was a challenge. It said strenuous, but you know how I am. Okay, I'm gonna fall. All right, we just finished our hike, Mendenhall Glacier hike. It was very long. 2 miles up, 2 miles back. On the way back, it took, what, an hour and 15 minutes?
Yeah, it was a pretty steep incline. Thankfully, there's handrails. Pretty slippery in spots, but
oddly enough, you get up there and it's warmer closer to the glacier. The more you come down, the colder it is, which makes zero sense.
Well, heat really does rise. It's true.
Oh, yeah. Now we're going to come over here and get some pictures if they let us. Oh, my God. Welcome to Juneau. It is cold, and we were told it's been raining for 2 days, and this is the best day they've had in weeks. So they're welcome. Alright, so we heard that place has the best fish tacos. Maybe I gotta go to crepe. He's gonna kill me. I'm gonna second crepe in 2 days, but you know, it's gotta be done. This is a nice little place though. This little outdoor seating. Apparently, because it's been raining for 2 days, everybody is out. All the locals come here. How's your Costco coffee?
Just like it sounds, nothing special.
Well, my crepe was good.
I'm so happy for you.
I think she's just in a mood.
Hold my alcohol very well, but I like it. Woo. Then we'll go into town and do some shopping. My favorite thing. Is it your favorite thing?
My least favorite.
It is his least favorite thing, by far.